Hi guys, welcome to bestedteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make a search result in new tab. As example, if I am going to search SEO, results are there. If I am going to click this link, it's open in same window, but by default I want it in new window. To do that, you need to open google.com/preferences. I will give you the link in description. After opening this page, you can make the search result for 10. By default it's 10, now it's 100, and just click on this checkbox where result open each selected result in new browser window, and after that save it. Now it will open all search result in new window. Second option is just open google.com, and after that go to the settings and click on search setting. Same page will come. You can make it 100 and you can click that checkbox, and after that save it. Now I am going to check it's opening or not. Just refresh my browser once again, and after that click on this link. See, it's opening in new window. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.